What's going on? Back with another video, and this time I'm going to show you guys how to get unlimited ammo for Dead Space 3 for Xbox Game Pass. So what you're going to need is you're going to need to be logged in from your Xbox app. First, if you have the game, get Game Pass. If you don't, this takes a minute. I don't know why it's loading forever. So if you get Game Pass, you can get EA games for free if you have Game Pass Ultimate. So without further ado, and also thank you guys for the subs, 100 subs. Thank you. Keep up. Appreciate the love. All right, so you have Dead Space. You want to click play. Make sure my control is on. Yeah, so we'll load the game up. I have to keep my TV on mute because sometimes it gets loud in my ears. Here we go. This was really good on this version. It's connecting. I don't know what the heck is going on. Alright. So I'm going to let the game load up. This also works for your points as well, money.
Brothers and sisters, the age of man is at an end. We have begun to think.
Watch this cutscene. Man, that looks so good though.
Playback message 34.
I mean, to be honest, I really don't need
Isaac,
a
I know
Series
you're there.
X
Come on,
because
pick up
I
the
have a good
phone.
graphics card,
Fine. Look, I just
and
called to
there's no
say
point to buying the
I'm
Xbox
moving on.
unless they make a game
have
that's
to.
only for the console.
Just
So,
take care of yourself.
if
okay?
you have a PC, you don't need to get Series X. So right now you can't find no damn graphics card. That's that bad. The only way you can get it is probably have to buy a whole setup. Unfortunately, not letting me skip this cutscene. Yeah, they're forcing me to watch it. It's a really good game. I think I played it.
Clark, get the fuck off. Answer me.
I didn't finish it because my console's red, and I didn't have the money to get another.
I don't have a lot of time, so I want to make this brief. I understand you're something of an expert on markers. You created one.
I didn't
Getting a
make
little
shit.
bit of lag.
Your government made me.
And you destroyed two, which is why we're here. Got a job for you.
Can't wait for the Dead Space remake.
No! I'm done with that. You find somebody else for your suicide mission.
We did
I cannot skip this damn cutscene.
before we lost contact with her. She told us to find you.
Ellie. Where is she? What'd you do to her? Where is she?
Happy Labor Day, guys. Early.
Unitologists
Fortunately, I have
have
to
reached the
work
inner
tomorrow.
concourse.
I've been on a
We can't hold
12-day
them.
vacation.
Run out of time, gotta go.
Unfortunately.
She's out there all alone, Isaac, and I can't help her unless you help me.
I'll show you guys real quick.
Okay.
We got the damn cutscene.
Okay.
Here. Let's get moving.
Alright, so as soon as it starts. Alright, here we go. So as you can see, let's check his inventory. He has 20 rounds. So what you're going to do is pause the game, open up your cheat engine, type that in here, open it up. Now you're going to find the game. Here we go, Dead Space 3. Now we're going to type how many rounds he has in his gun, which is 20. He's going to do a first scan. Here are the addresses. It's a lot of addresses. So we're going to use few rounds of the gun. Oops, there we go. So 17 rounds left. So we're gonna pause the game once again. We're gonna type in the new ammo, which is 17. You're gonna hit next scan. Now there's still 7. If it's more than like a bunch, it should be at least one is. So keep using your ammo until you see maybe 1 or 2 of them. So we'll go back to the game and shoot a few more rounds. Okay, that's 13. Okay, it's a quick firing gun. So it's 13 rounds now. Should be 2 addresses. Oops, not that. Put 13 now. We put next scan again, and there it is, 13. So if you see 102, you're gonna click it, right click it with your mouse, and you're gonna change vial of selected address. You're gonna hit that and put how many rounds you want. Don't go over 1,000 because it might crash your game. So I'm gonna put 1,000 rounds. And click that. Sure went through. So you click it, go back to the game. Boom, there you go, 1,000 rounds. Another thing I suggest when you do it, don't pick up any reloadable ammo of the gun because it's going to reset back to its normal count. So if you have 1,000 rounds and you pick up a reloadable ammo, it's going to reset back to 20. So like that, right? That's a text log. So don't pick up any reloadable weapon ammo. So also, this is this route. This is gun. This other gun. We're going to do the same thing to that gun as well. So we're going to put 10 rounds. It's a little neat trick. We're going to put 10 now and put new scan since there's a new scan in it. So now we're going to shoot a couple rounds. Alright, that's 8. So we'll go back and type 8. Next scan. Still 231 fouls, so keep shooting until you have 1 or 2 fouls. Do it again. 1, 2. Now that's 6. I keep doing it. That's 6 now. It's still 7. Wow. So we have to keep going here. 6. Let's try 5. See what happens. It should have 1 or 2 addresses though. Until you see 1 or 2. There we go. Good. Perfect. So now you're going to do the same thing. Click it. Right click it with your mouse. Change value. Put 1,000. This works. I don't think this works for the health packs. I'm not sure. It only works for the ammo. There you go. 1,000 rounds. So shoot it. Don't pick up any reloadable ammo for any of their weapons because it's going to reset.
Okay, I said I'd help you. Now where's Ellie?
So
how long has she been missing?
Just shut up and get over here. We'll explain
play
later.
on here. So if you pick up ammo and reload your weapon, it's going to reset back towards normal count, like 10 rounds. So,
Hey,
let me show you.
who the hell are you guys?
Right here.
Earth Gov's last battalion. Name's Norton. Captain Robert Norton. Sergeant John Carver.
Last battalion, what do you mean?
Last
I
means
personally
last.
think
Genius,
that's
as in
one
no
of
more
the
left. Looks clear.
Many people may
No more
not
left.
maybe it's the
There's all right. Let's go.
maybe it's the first.
Go, go!
So first game, the first one you fight back to the first 2 games you fought back
Just go! Get in the car!
I'm trying to figure out they have auto aim on here. Center, classic, retro mode, classic. It's a difficulty here. Okay. Kamikaze. So yeah, so guys. Yeah, so it works when you start the game. You're gonna type in how much ammo you have, and then you're gonna pretty good. So there's ammo here. Don't pick that up because it's going to reset your count. So if you run low of ammo, you get 200 left. Just put them in, do it again.
He's on the move!
How do you do this? How do you do the slow motion? Easy. So yeah, I'm gonna end it here. It works, as you can see. Except, but you know, don't pick up any CDs right here. These picker uppers. Don't pick them up because if you reload your gun, it's going to reset back to its normal count. So like this was 20, and this gun was 10. So I wouldn't pick them up. I'm going to end it here. You know, appreciate the love, guys. We're up to 500 subs. Hopefully by spring of next year, I have 1,000. Peace out, guys. Appreciate the love.